Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 1997 Oldsmobile Aurora. While it's located in an unusual location beneath the back seat, the battery is relatively easy to reach with a simple bracket that's easy to remove. It's a bit low in the engine bay, but the transmission fluid dipstick is easy to remove to check the fluid level, a perk that many modern vehicles no longer have. The center brake lights can be found at the top of the trunk and removed with a simple twist, making their repair process very hassle-free. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The engine air filter is tightly wedged into the corner of the engine bay. The resonator, hose, and multiple fasteners will need to be removed before the filter can be reached. The engine air filter housing will need to be completely removed to access the headlights on the driver's side. On both sides, other headlights, such as the turn signal and parking light, can only be accessed through the wheel well lining, which is a difficult procedure overall. The petcock is located behind a large panel beneath the vehicle that's held on by multiple rivets. Navigating the setup can be very tedious. Overall, the 1997 Oldsmobile Aurora is a relatively easy car to maintain, but prospective owners should expect some tricky setups and lengthy procedures.